Welcome to my tutorial. We're going to be making a login form, which is an application that you use on an application to log in so people can't leak it. So first we're going to open up Visual Basic and create a project. I'm just going to name this one login form. Oops. So once you've done that, you'll be brought to your login form, which should look like this. I'm not going to worry about the look of the application or anything like this because what we're more focused on is the code. So just add a button and two text boxes, and double click your button. Also you want to go to your form load events, which in the form load we're going to check for the license, so for the user's license or whatever. So you just want to dim license as new IO stream writer. Now add the directory where the license will be, where it's in this case is going to be the current directory of the application. So, and now the license name. Now we're going to add it in a try. So if the license doesn't exist, it gets cached and gives the user a message and closes the application. Now you don't have a license. Application exit. So if the license doesn't exist, then the application will just close. Now you want to pretty much do the similar thing here. I usually don't worry about putting the try effect in the button, but in this case, just in case. Then we want to dim user as string, which equals license read line. Now that'll be the first line in the file. Then we want to dim pass as string equals license read line. This is the second line in the license file. If not textbox1 dot text equals user, then whatever. If not textbox2 dot text equals pass, then this happens. Now, if textbox1 dot text and textbox2 dot text equals pass, oops, hang on a minute, let's go back here, equals user, then message box welcome and the username. Now you want to close the license.close. If you don't do that, then next time, say for instance in this one, sorry about that. Say for instance in this one, when the username doesn't equal to textbox1, then we get the message box, username incorrect. Now if we don't close the license after this and then click the button again, you get an unhandled exception saying that the file is currently still in use. So make sure you always do that. And there you have it. Now I haven't made the license in the file yet, so I don't have a license. So what I'm going to do here, because I haven't saved the project, I have to go into app data. So if you're once you've created the project and if you save it, then you don't have to worry about this. You can go into your documents and Visual Basic. But I've already got too many projects as it is, so I don't really want to be saving this one. Pretty pointless. You can go more in depth with stuff like this, and so people can't just make a file like this and then just add their username and password and there you go, they've got access to your application. You can go in a bit more in depth about it and add certain little things in the file that other people won't know about, that only you know about. So I'll just say lol, save, run, and we've started. We've got a license. Username's lol, password's lol. Welcome lol. Now we had 2 L's up, username incorrect, password incorrect. There you go. As easy as that. You can go in depth and say, like for instance, if you come down here and we say, first we've got to add an extra line. So let's say line 1. License.read line. Then we come here. If not line 1 equals, then license is corrupt. So say we just go mashpad, for instance. Alright. So we copy that. And line 1's our mashpad. Then we open it. Oops, caps lock. Excellent. Now you see how when I did the username incorrect and the password was incorrect, it still read through the entire thing. So what we want to do, after this we want to go exit sub. So this way, when they get an incorrect thing, it won't just run through the whole thing. Because sometimes people don't like doing this section here. They just like to have it straight at the end, like you just eliminate this, and eliminate this, and you just have this with the exit sub and exit sub. This one here, if the license is incorrect, and we application exit, so the user can't use the application at all. So what we're going to do, we'll get rid of the verification line. Oh, now open with. So this line here, gone. We'll make it nothing. So now we know the username is lol and the password is lol. Whoops, license is corrupt. Goodbye. And there you have it. Quick, easy and simple.